friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
This drive follows Yonge Street in North York, Ontario, starting at North York Boulevard and continuing south to Lawrence Avenue. Along this route, Yonge Street's rich history and urban development become evident. Yonge Street is a significant thoroughfare in Toronto, with origins in the late 18th century. Named after Sir George Yonge, an expert on Roman road construction, it was originally built to connect Lake Ontario to Lake Simcoe, serving as a key route for transportation and trade. The North York section of Yonge Street highlights the transformation of the area, from a suburban community into a vibrant urban center. This stretch features a mix of residential, commercial, and cultural spaces, showcasing the city's growth and diversity. The area between Shepherd Avenue and Lawrence Avenue is known for its variety of shops, restaurants, and community spaces, reflecting Toronto's multicultural population. The neighborhoods along this route are well established and play an important role in the city's fabric. Near Lawrence Avenue lies the historic Lawrence Park neighborhood, one of Toronto's first planned garden suburbs. Developed in the early 20th century, it is characterized by tree-lined streets and green spaces, offering a glimpse into Toronto's architectural and urban planning history. Yonge Street continues to serve as both a major transportation route and a symbol of the city's development, connecting people and communities while reflecting the evolution of Toronto over the years.